Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to set developer options for games on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, developer options provide settings that can optimize the device performance for gaming. Adjusting settings such as GPU rendering, hardware acceleration, or background process limit can enhance the gaming experience by improving frame rates, reducing lag, and maximizing system resources for gameplay. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To access the developer options on your device, first go to the settings menu. Okay, and then scroll down. So select about font option. Okay, and here tap on software information and activate the developer options by tapping the button number 7 times. Once activated, return to the previous page and select developer options. Okay, within the settings, scroll down and disable the locker buffer size. Okay, after disabling the settings, continue scrolling and tap on graphics driver. So here, choose the game for which you want to configure the graphics settings. Okay, and if the selected games has a built-in graphics driver, set it to the game's default graphics. But if not, you can choose an alternative option. Okay, next please go back and scroll down to set the window animation, transition animation, and animator duration skill settings to off. Like this. Okay, after finishing, scroll down again and select background process limit. Okay, and here you can set it to no background processes to optimize device performance by limiting background processes. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set developer options for games on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.